Okay, this is Natural Bridge here in Alberta, Canada. Check that out.
Natural Bridge is an impressive natural rock formation that spans the flow of the Kicking Horse River. West of Field, where the slower moving waters from the Field Valley Flats begin their descent through a canyon to be joined by the Imisqui River. The Natural Bridge Lookout presents visitors with the opportunity to view the formation from a variety of different vantage points, with interpretive displays explaining the physical processes at work. The bridge can easily be reached by car, just 1.9 miles from Field on Emerald Lake Road. Sculpted by the erosive forces of rushing water over what had once been a waterfall, the Natural Bridge is a powerful reminder of how much influence water has in shaping the landscape. Softer rock found below. The Natural Bridge's hard limestone band eroded more quickly, and fissures in the rock widened until the flow of water was diverted below the outcrop. The lookout also serves as an access point for the Kicking Horse Fire Road trailhead, which leads to the meeting of the waters where the Imisqui River and Emerald River merge with the Kicking Horse River. The Fire Road is popular with cross-country bikers and skiers alike. Lucky hikers may also track down the Mineral Lick, which attracts moose, deer, elk, and other animals. River rolls hard, Kicking Horse Range, mountain walls carve a stone page, Field town blur, gone in a haze. Natural Bridge, yeah, Natural Bridge. What you hold, what you hide underneath a cold tide. Water eats rock, slow steady by. Days turn to years, morning to night. Old man time grinding with might. Natural Bridge, yeah, Natural Bridge. What you hold, what you hide underneath the cold tide. The earth where the secrets hid. Natural Bridge, yeah, Natural Bridge. What you hold, what you hide underneath the cold.